North Pole. Chalo, see this question, beta. Now, say for example, what is net magnetic moment? What is net magnetic moment of the system? What is the net magnetic moment of the system? I'll give the diagram beta. There is one bar magnet like this. Okay. And there is one more bar magnet here right now like this. And there is one more bar magnet here like this. Think and give me the answer. This is the south pole. This is your north pole. This is your north pole. And here this one is your north pole. And magnetic moment of this one is, say for example, here capital M. And pole strength of this one is right now, for example, right now this one is, say for example, of your 4M. And this one is equal to your 4M.
So is it 3 poles, sir?
Three bar magnets. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, ఒకటేమో right side direction లో straight.
Yeah, for this bar magnet, this is from south to north.
Sir, cancel అవుతాయి sir.
ఏది
Two
cancel
cancel
అయితే
అవుతాయి sir.
ఏ రెండు
పైన ఇంకా
cancel
కింద sir.
పైన కింద cancel ఎంత వస్తుంది?
cancel అయితే 3M వస్తుంది sir, upward direction.
Very good. If that idea has been come, then everything is okay. In this direction,
Okay,
it is from south to north. Kabatti, this is your 4M. In this direction, the magnetic moment is how much for me? 4M. In the downward direction, the magnetic moment is how much for me? M. That means this will become for me how much? 4M minus M. This will be upward will become how much for me? 3 times of
3M.
your M. And this will become for me 4 times of your capital M. Is that clear?
Yes sir. Yes
So
sir.
the
This we have
resultant
to calculate again using that, right sir?
Yeah,
Under root
parallelogram
of
law
M1
of vector
square
addition you
plus.
can use.
Yes.
So M resultant
Okay,
will be equal to your angle between them is 90 degrees Gavati. This will become for me 4M into your whole square plus of your 3 times of your M whole square. Already theta 90, I'm not writing that value. So you can give me the answer for this one. So under root of your 4 square is how much for me? 16 into your M square plus 3 square is
9
nothing
into
but
M
9
square.
into your M square. 16 plus 9 is how much? 15. M square will come
25
up.
sir.
So that will be equal to 5M.
Yes sir.
Got it?
Yes sir.
So I hope you got an idea for such type of questions.
Yes sir, got it sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more model. You try to give me the answer for this one. Think and give me the answer. So see this question right now. I'll write in next page otherwise. Yeah. Say for example, if a magnet, if the magnet are placed as shown in figure, as shown in your figure. Okay. Net magnetic moment is how much? Net magnetic moment. Net magnetic moment is dash. Okay. So I'm giving a bar magnet here, better. So here there is one bar magnet like this. And there is one more bar magnet here right now like this. Okay. And here there is one more bar magnet like this. All of them of similar bar magnet, better. So diagram, don't go on the diagram. This angle is your 60 degrees. This angle is your 60 degrees. This angle is also your 60 degrees, better. This is your south pole. This is your north pole. This is your south pole. This is your north pole. And this is your north pole. And this is your south pole. Equilateral triangle, and magnetic moment of each one is, magnetic moment of the each one is, for this one the magnetic moment is capital M. For this one magnetic moment is capital M. This one is magnetic moment capital M. So think and give me the answer for this one. So I'm giving the options for this one. First one is capital M. Second one is 2 times of capital M. Third one is 0. And fourth one is nothing but root 3 into your M divided by your 2. Chalo, try to do it first. Read the question carefully and try to write the directions of the vectors carefully.
Sir, firstly we can say it is not 0 sir, because they're not all in the same, like south north south north south north. That's why that it is not 0, right sir?
Chudu.
Zero
Directions
it
suppose, sir.
can't be, right,
You tell me directions now. For this one, direction
left
of
to
the
right,
magnetic
sir.
moment is from your south to north like this.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? This is your capital M.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now another one. This is also south to north. This is also in this direction,
Sir.
right? This is your one magnetic moment. This one is south to north.
This is
In
from
this,
down to up. Yes sir.
isn't it? So the net
Yes, sir.
magnetic moment will be equal to how much? By vector addition.
Sir, can we cancel the two opposite ones, sir?
Mhm.
No,
If two
can't be
vectors
fine.
are taken in the same order, The closing side will give me what? Resultant, na?
Yes, sir.
It means I can add these two vectors. He is asking
Yes,
if
sir.
the magnets are being placed as shown, the net magnetic moment will be equal to how much beta? 3 sides of bin to B. These are two sides
Yes,
in
sir.
the same order. That means M resultant will be equal to how much beta? M plus M gada.
That, yes, sir.
M plus M. That means that will become for me 2M. That
Yes,
means
sir.
the closing side will give me the resultant. That will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to how much for me? 2M. Okay, na? So the answer will come out for me how much? 2M.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Once.
ఓకే అర్థం కాలేదా?
లేదు సార్, ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా?
చూడు ఇది 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 ఇన్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఏం చెప్తాను నాన్న, ఇదో ట్రయాంగిల్ లో దిస్ ఇస్ పి,
Yes, sir.
దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ క్యూ, ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టర్స్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ రిజల్టెంట్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆర్డర్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
సో రిజల్టెంట్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ? పి బార్ ప్లస్ క్యూ బార్ రాస్తాము.
Yes, sir.
నౌ హియర్ దిస్
Okay,
టూ ఆర్
that
ఇన్
is
ద
the
సేమ్
resultant of
డైరెక్షన్.
the whole triangle. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
That's the magnet.
this is your resultant, this closing side is the resultant one. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Got it.
Tell me the answer for this. A bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment capital M is cutted to form L by 2 length, two pieces, L by 2 pieces and joined ఇది ఎల్లే తీసుకున్నాం, రైట్, క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్లే తీసుకున్నాం,
Okay, sir.
and joined to form L shape. To form what beta? L shape. What is new magnetic moment? What is new magnetic moment? What is new magnetic moment? Now tell me the answers. I'll give the options. This one is your root 2 into your M. Second option is 0. Third option is root 2 into your M square. And fourth option is your M by your root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Think and tell me the answer. We got a bar magnet of length how much beta? L, and magnetic moment is M. So first write the first bar magnet beta without cutting. So this is the first bar magnet.
Yes, sir.
Length of this one is how much? Capital L. And magnetic moment of this one is capital L. Now this one has been
Sir.
cut into two pieces like this. So now these are the two pieces what we are getting. Each of length is how much for me? L by 2. This one is also how much for me? Or L by 2.
L by 2.
So length of each one is nothing but of your L by 2 part. So initial magnetic moment will be equal to how much beta? M is equals to your, so pole strength into your, right now M is equals to your L into your pole strength. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So will there be any change in the pole strength when you're cutting like this beta? If this is your M, this is
No,
also
sir.
your M.
Pole strength will remain
Here
same,
this will
sir.
be your M, this will be your M, this will be your M, this will be your M. There is no change in the pole strength. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So initial magnetic moment, if I'm taking M dash is equals to your M into your capital L. Sorry, not M dash.
Yes,
This is capital M.
yeah.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Capital M is equals to pole strength into your capital L. Now for M dash, if I'm writing, M dash will be equal to how much beta? Pole strength is M into
L by
distance between them when it is forming L shape. L shape and there will be one bar magnet like this. And here there will be one bar magnet. This length is how much for me? L by 2. This length is your L by 2. So now what you do
Yes.
is you join the initial and final positions of this one. That will give me the length of this one. So L by 2 means this will become how much beta? L.
Pythagoras theorem.
ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు?
Yes, sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు ఒకసారి. This is L by 2, this is L by 2. So this is under root of your
Yes,
L
sir.
by 2 whole square plus of your L by 2 whole
L by
square.
2 whole square.
So how much I'm getting? You see this one, cross check it. This will become for
L
me under
square
root of
by
L
4.
square by 4 plus L square by 4. So L
Yes,
will
sir.
come out. So this will
4
become for me L by
will get right.
enta?
L by 2, sir.
L by 2
No, sir, 1 minute.
L square by 4 plus L square by 4. One by 4 plus 1 by 4 enta nanna?
Sir, so L square by 2L. Sir, we'll get 2L, right, sir?
Why will get 12 beta?
12,
L square
12.
L square lo బయట తీసుకొచ్చాయి. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That will be 1 by 2 కదా?
Yes, sir, 1 by 2.
That means this will become how much for me? L by root 2 కదా?
Yes, sir.
This one is L square by 4 plus this one is L square by 4.
Yes, sir.
L square బయటికి వచ్చేసిందా? This is L square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by
Okay,
4.
like that. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? That is equal to L. This one is how much? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is how much? 1
1
by
by
2
2.
కదా?
Yes, sir. 1
That
by
means it is L by root 2 only, na?
2. Yes, sir.
So M dash will become how much for me beta? L by your root 2.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? L by your root 2 means M into your L is already how much for me? Capital M. So I can
Yes,
write
sir.
this one as of your M by
M
root
by
2 and
2.
beta.
Yes, sir.
So fourth option will be the answer for this.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir. Pakka, sir. Clear.
So that is about your way how we are writing for that given condition. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more good question we'll try to do based upon this one beta. See, a bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment capital M is used to form a quarter of a circle, shaped magnet. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
new magnetic moment is read the question carefully, but a very good question. I'll give the options for this one. It is nothing but for your 4 into your M into your root 2, or else you can write as of your 4 root 2 into your M. Second option is your right now 4 by root 2 into your capital M. Okay, and the third option is your 4 into root 2 pi divided by capital M. And fourth option is capital M. So let's read the question first carefully.
Sir, it is bent. A magnet is bent, right, sir?
Yeah, magnet is bent. A bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment M is used to form a quarter of a circle. It is forming how much for me? Quarter of your circle.
1 by 4.
That means
1
yeah,
by 4.
1 by 4. This is your initial bar magnet.
Yes, sir.
Length of this one is L, magnetic moment is M. Now this is bent into the quarter of a circle like this. Quarter
Yes,
of a
sir.
circle means right now this one is bent into the quarter of a circle.
Semicircle lo half. Sir.
Semicircle la half itla. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
This will be this one. Okay. Now this will become right now how much for meter? Before cutting magnetic moment, before bending magnetic moment was how much beta? Pole strength into your L. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
Now after bending, what will be the pole strength right now beta for this one? Can you tell
Will
me?
remain same only, right, sir? Pole strength will remain same, right, sir?
The pole strength will remain
Sorry,
same, but
pole
length
strength.
will become how much for me?
Yes, sir. Length will
The
change.
length is
Yes, sir.
been right now bended into the quarter of a circle. Na?
Yes,
So
sir.
length will be equal to how much beta? Pi r by 4.
Yes, sir.
This length.
Yes, sir.
Okay, isn't it? And
Yes,
radius will be equal to how much beta? Pi r by 4 means radius will be equal to how much for me? 4 into your L by pi. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
క్లియరా లేదా?
Sir, ఒక్కసారి అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా సార్? హౌ
ఇది టోటల్ సర్కిల్ కదా. ఇఫ్ ది వైర్ ఇస్
Yes,
బెంట్,
sir.
ఇదో వైర్ ఉందనుకో, ఈ వైర్ లెంత్ ఎల్ ఉంది. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బెంట్ ఇన్ టు ద సర్కిల్ అంటే దిస్ ఎల్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ రేడియస్ ఎల్ అంటే దిస్ ఎల్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ 2 pi r కదా.
2 pi r. Yes, sir.
ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బెంట్ ఇన్ టు సెమీ సర్కిల్ అంటే ఎల్ విల్ బికమ్ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ pi r కదా.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now if it is bent into the quarter of a circle like this, L will become for me how much? Pi r by your 2 కదా.
Pi r by. Yes, sir. Pi r
కదా.
by.
సో pi r by 2 అంటే ఇక్కడ నీకు pi r by 2 రావాలి కదా. ఇది సారీ ఎట్లయితే అంతే
Yes,
కదా.
sir.
సో దిస్ వన్ ఈస్
Yes,
pi
sir.
r by 2 and this one will become for me 2. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
This is pi r by your 2. Length is pi r by 2. 1 by 2. This is your pi r, 2 pi r. Half of that one is nothing but of your pi r. And half of that one will be equal to quadrant kabatti pi r by your 2. So angle made by this one is nothing but equal to your 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Antena?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? So the length will become how much for me beta? Pi r by your 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct ena?
Yes, sir. Pi r by 2.
This is 1 by 4th of the quadrant kada. 1 by 4th of a circle kada.
Yes, sir.
So this arc length will become how much for me beta? Arc length will be dx will be equal to your arc length will be equal to your radius into your this angle made by that one.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా. Angle is nothing but how much for me? Pi by 2. అంతే కదా. So
Yes,
this
sir.
arc length is equals to your pi r by 2. So r is equals to your 2l by your pi. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
So new magnetic moment will become how much for me? M dash is equals to your pole strength m into new length. So new length will be equal to how much better? New length I'm writing it as of your L dash. Isn't it? So that will be equal to your m into L dash will become how much for me beta? Pi into your r by 2.
By 2. Yes, sir. Pi r.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing something mistake here, right? This is total length is L beta. Now
Yes,
this
sir.
is 1 by 4th of the circle. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means the total wire is been bent to form a quadrant of a circle. A bar magnet of length L and magnetic moment M is used to form a quadrant of a circle shaped magnet. Then the new magnetic moment will be equal to how much? That means the radius of this one will become for me 4L by your pi only, na?
4l by pi. Yes, sir.
1 by 4th of the quadrant of a circle. Somewhere I'm going mistake for this one. Let me check it out this.